In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create report is Freshsales Studio. To begin, make sure you are inside your Freshsales account and looking at the main interface. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Analytics icon. It usually looks like a small bar chart. Click that Analytics icon to open the Analytics area where reports and dashboards are managed. Once you are in Analytics, move your attention to the top right corner of the page and click the New Report button. This starts the report creation process and opens a new report setup screen. Next, you will see a field for the report name. Enter a clear, specific report name. A good name helps you and your team recognize the report later, especially when there are many reports in the same workspace. Use wording that reflects what the report measures and the time frame or audience it is for, if that applies. After naming the report, click Add Widget. Widgets are the building blocks of the report, and this is where you decide how you want your data displayed. If you choose a chart, you will select a metric to measure, such as deals, and then choose a group by field, such as owner. This helps you compare the metric across different categories and quickly see patterns. If you prefer a table, select the table option. Then use Show Underlying Data to view the records behind the numbers and add the specific columns you want in your tabular view. This is helpful when you need detailed visibility, like seeing individual entries and the fields tied to them. Once your widget is in place, apply filters to refine the data. Filters let you narrow results based on criteria such as status, owner, or date ranges. Take a moment to confirm your filters match the exact time frame and conditions you want, because filters control what is included in the final report. Finally, click Save in the top right corner. Your report will be saved with the name, widget type, and filters you selected, ready to view and revisit anytime in Analytics. And that covers everything you need to know.